Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ali Ruda, and today I'm going to be giving you guys a small tour of our warehouse here at Floors for Less. So walking through, first we have my desk on the left, which leads us into the entrance of the warehouse. Before we get to the warehouse proper, obviously, we have a bit of a showroom for customers to walk through. Coming in, here on the right-hand side, we have our LVT Click. Left-hand side as well, most of our LVT Click. We like to keep the products closer here up front. That way, in case the customer wants to see something, we can easily pull a sample and show them. A little bit of our glue down products here on the right as well. Going on, most of our warehouse is composed of our carpet stock. Left-hand side, you have stuff that are more meant for rental properties, builder grade, decent carpet, but not too expensive. We like to keep most of it here. On the right is more of our premium high-end products. As you can see, most of it has a swatch out here in case the customer wants to take a look. Over here, this has the shipping information. Here we have company, manufacturer, style, color, size of the roll, and then over here is the roll number. This allows us to look up the product much better if we need to get some more information on it based on the shipping. Continuing over, we have some of our vinyl sheet product over here on these racks. Easy to move around in case we need to get them out of our way, make cuts, so on and so forth. We also have some, these are for customer orders, wood product, vinyl product. Over here, got your moldings, flat bar, everything. Now over here, we recently had a very large order, over 50 rolls for a customer. So we had to clear out some space. This used to be where they were. A lot of this stuff is just old stock, things we have on hand. And we put them over here. On this rack, this is for customer orders. Bottom shelf is smaller stuffs, smaller orders and orders that will be going out within the next week or so. Middle shelf is composed of orders that were placed, paid for, yet not picked up. Some of these are over a week old, 2 weeks old, so we move them over to the middle shelf, get them out of our way. And the top shelf are customer orders. They're a lot bigger, so we keep them secluded. That way they don't crush the smaller rolls. Here is one of 3 main machines that we use in the warehouse. This is the AccuCut Brockie International cutting machine. This allows us to cut any stock orders or special orders that we have down to different sizes. This right here is the terminal. Put in the password. And as you can see, this allows us to measure the carpet, forward, reverse, and as well as a button right here that allows us to cut the carpet once we've got it to a correct size. This is one of our 2 high-lows. As you can see, has the pole attachment that allows us to pick up the carpet through that center hole over there. Lift it, set it, move it, whatever we need to do. In the back, more stock, much like the orders over there. We have our padding here on the right, as well as further down. Once again, more stock, some vinyl. These things are further back as we don't use them as often, as well as various adhesives, hardwood, and our second high-low. This high-low has the forks attached to it, which allows us to pick up any pallets that we may have. So whenever we need to place an order, either for stock or for customer orders, we first go over to the computer here in the office and go to one of 3 of the main manufacturer websites, being Mohawk, Shaw, or Engineered Floors. If the company from which we need products doesn't have an online website, go over to this paper over here that has different names of companies. Obviously, cover our account and phone number information, and then we can place the order through there. So once an order is placed, it usually takes about 7 to 10 business days for a product to arrive, just depending on if the manufacturer has it in stock at the moment. Once it does, come out over here to the hanger door, and we'll have the semi trucks pull up either on the left-hand side or the right-hand side. Grab the material with one of the two high-lows, bring them in. Usually if it's a glue-down product, we'll stock it over here that we can load them in to the customer vehicles much more easily. Or out front if it's click product. For carpet, most of the time what we'll do if it's stock, put it over here on the machine, cut the plastic off, tag it, swatch it, as I showed you earlier. And if it's for a customer special order, to the rack it goes. So once an order is placed, fill out a sales invoice with all the material that they've selected, as well as relevant customer information. If they're picking it up from the shop, we'll give them a call and have them back their car or van up to the hangar door to get loaded. Or for a delivery, load up one of our two vans. One of them is currently out on a delivery as we speak, and then send it out to the customer's location. After which, I will return to my computer up front and update our inventory. And that concludes the tour of our warehouse here at Floors for Less. If you have any questions or would like to receive a quote, please don't hesitate to give us a call at 586-774-3333 or visit our location at 14116 East 10 Mile Road, Warren, Michigan, right on the corner of 10 Mile and Groesbeck. Thank you.